Good evening. The today topic is fuels and combustions. The fuels are a substance that can realize the energy when they undergo the combustions, which is a chemical reaction with the oxygen that produce the heat and often light. The combustions is a form of exothermic reaction that release the energy in the form of heat. Fuels are generally classified into three types. The first one is a fossil fuel, biofuel, and renewable fuels. These are the three types of fuels available. The first one we see the fossil fuels. The fossil fuels including coal, oil, the fossil these including coal, oil, natural gases. They are derived from the remains of ancient plant and animals. When they burned, they release the carbon dioxide CO2, which is a major contributions to the climate changes. Next one is a biofuel. The biofuels made from the biomass. These renewables made from the biological materials such as plant, algae and waste. Examples including the ethanol from crops like corn and biodiesel from vegetable oil. Uh, Biofuels considered the more environment friendly. They release less CO2 compared to the fossil fuels. Although their production can still have environmental impact. Next one is a renewable fuels, biofuels. Next one is a renewable fuels. It's renewable fuels are fuel that come from the renewable resource like sunlight, wind, water, biomass. They are also known as a green clean fuel because they reproduce the fewer pollutant fossil fuels. Including hydrogen, which burn the cleanly to produce the water vapor, and other fuels that can be continuously replenished, such as solar energy or wind energy. These considered the most sustainable options for the futures. Next one is a combustion process. Next one is a combustion process. The combustion process in a typical combustion reaction, a fuel usually carbon based react with the oxygen O2 from the air. The general equation for combustions, fuel plus O2 product, CO2 H2O, heat and light. Examples: when the methane CH4, a natural gas, the combust the reaction CH4 2O2 CO2 2H2 plus heat. The two types of combustions. The first one is a complete combustions. Complete combustions. The complete combustions occur when there is a sufficient supply of oxygen, producing carbon dioxide, CO2, and water H2O as the primary product. Incomplete combustions, it happen when the oxygen is limited, leading to the production of the carbon monoxide, CO, carbon monoxide, CO, shoot, that means unburned carbon particles, and possibly other harmful substance. Each type of fuel has different behaviors. Energy content and combustion efficiency, the choice of fuel often depend on the factors like availability, cost, environmental impact, availability, cost, environmental impact.